In this example, I will configure Factory Superstar to make a dining table like this, so it has a steel fabricated frame and a wooden top. The length can be chosen, so it can be any length at all, and the top can be either oak or pine. I'll show you what that looks like now. So here it gives the option for length, and here it gives pine or oak. And you can see when we add it, it goes through the inventory, takes into account the custom length, and calculates everything that we need to make this table. So it calculates the amount of wood that we consume, it calculates the amount of lacquer we consume, the amount of screws, bubble wrap, etc. And it also calculates how much it costs to produce and when it will be in stock from each item. We can even click on the analytics button at the bottom and we can see a breakdown of the gross profit. Factory Superstar will tell your team what to do and when they need to do it through the process screens in the workshop like this, and your team's interaction with the screens through these buttons here will mean you're always kept up to date on the production status of your order. We've even added drawings so your team can refer to them here. The good thing about the way we've configured this item is that once it's configured, you can use the sub-assemblies for any amount of other definitions. So for example, if you were to define a matching bench for this table, then all you would do is change the two definitions. It would take no time at all, and you'd have an entire new product line managed by the system. To configure an item like this in Factory Superstar, just go to our help files and view the help file for this table, and in your own Factory Superstar account, enter in the purchased items, the processes and definitions as we list on that page. If you ever get stuck, just get in touch with us and we'll help you out.